Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Brad. Good morning, G Money. Good morning, Sheila. Good morning, Marty. Good morning, Rebecca. Steven, Big Money Steven. Good morning, Mr. Jamal. Good morning. Good morning. And let's go. Good morning. All right, so what do we got here? A market out of sync between the 200 and the 100, and we're pulling back to harmony zone number one, which is support, and we're getting a bounce off of it. So we're back to 20,200. That was a big move overnight. Market came in to harmony zone number two, close to it, 190 by 180. Good morning, Ethan. Good morning. Here we go. So multiple attempts, like this is one of them here. We're keeping the trend line, which is an interesting behavior. It's a short behavior. I mean, the market needs to start bouncing around here and trying to break that 17. If they do that, then we have a good shot at a continuation trade. I mean, ultimately, the trend is long, but we're just getting a pullback in this market. Here we go. Here goes 17. All right. So what is that telling me? They're telling me that the market is holding up to that low, and pullbacks are buyable on a scalping basis only. We need to break it above 29 for the swing trade to get back. Good morning, DJ Mike. Okay, so FOMC Williams speaks at the top of the hour. Here we go. 29 is there, and pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. Hitting target number 2. That's this box. This is the box. Okay, so back to retesting harmony zone number 2, but we made a higher low. Good morning, Safe. Good morning, buddy. Yeah, a lot of choppiness here. I mean, they're trying to protect. I mean, they're running the stops here 15 to 14, 15 to 04. Yeah, I mean, this kind of, you know, stop runs and bounce it right back up. I mean, that's just not a trending behavior here, but it's a Friday. So the ES is in sync on the short side. We have harmony zone number one, which is 89 half by 92 half, and 95 by 98, and we have a target of 57.77. Rallies are shortable in ES, and we look like we're chewing through harmony zone number two. I mean, we hit it 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And this is the fifth time coming into that zone. I mean, it's getting tired here, but till we break it and go to 165 and a half, really the market is still can build up a bid. I'm giving myself a little bit of time. It's 8:53. All right. So now rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. We have harmony zone number one at 190 by 200, and harmony zone number two is 215 by 225. Rallies are shortable. Target 140. Target is 140 and a half. We're about to hit that target. Damn. Target hit. Next target is 20,090. There's news, guys. There's news. There's something happening out there. Let's check the Middle East. Okay, 1 minute. 1 minute to. 1 minute. Target is 20,065 and a half. We're getting target, and we're in the middle of the range on the 200 NT Renko. So this is going to be somewhat of a support area. So just be careful for traps. Yeah. Come on. All right. Fuck. Let's just see here. This thing's all over the place. If we break 92, there'll be a captain set up long on the 50 NT Rinko. 92. Yeah, see that 92 was the key. Let's see if the pullbacks hold up here. Ultimately, harmony zone number one is resistance, and the market is heading there. And it was in the middle of the range on the 200. So I mean, that's just why I said this area tends to be support. Market is out of sync. Pullbacks can be bought on signals. There's a captain set up short on the 30 into Rinko, so watch out here. Plus the 20. So we're hitting harmony zone number one. The market is out of sync. It's a two-sided market. Okay. Let's see what they want to do here. You see that? That 30 NT Rinko captain setup right here. Plus the 20 NT Rinko captain setup up on that retest. All right, I'm gonna. Here comes the sellers again. I mean, that's basically what we're looking for as far as selling pressure. I'm gonna. What time is it? It's 9:08. I'll step away for just a moment. Our target is 65 and a half. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. Okay, okay. So we dropped into the middle of the range, bounced a little bit, then crashed into the bottom, the top end of the Globex band, which is 1575. Oh yeah, that was perfect actually, Stephen. That's just a captain setup at the beginning of a new harmony wave. I mean, those are the best if you can find them. So market is out of sync. ES is in the middle of the range. ES is in the middle of the range, and also NQ is in the middle of the range. Yeah, so I mean, I'm looking at this, that captain setup into this test, into trigger trade, switch trade, and then the market just collapsed. And now you're getting a counter move here. Uh, if we break anything like 20,090, that will give us basically a railroad long on this market right here. So now the target is 20,115 and a half. We have harmony zone number one, 65 by 55 and 40 by 30. Pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. I guess they want to pause this market. Yeah, look at this. Wow. Hit it. Next target is 140 half. That means, Adam, that both the 200 and the 100 are in sync on the long side, and we have a target, a big target of 140. So whenever the market is in harmony, the swing trade targets become active, and that's what I'll be looking for. When the market is out of sync, meaning the 200 is long but the 100 is short. Well, that opens up scalping and opens up uh, fading. I look at the 3015, Stephen. I mean, that's just one of those charts that I show on the in the room often. And I look at the 30, the 40, the 50, the 70, and the 20 here. Then the 200 and the 100 are, and it's not too slow either. I mean, all of them give you a picture of what the market is doing. Here we go again. They're pulling it back. They're continuing this trend line, and you're getting a two-sided market right now again. So they're playing around with this reversion to the mean, which is 70. So if your question is the 30 the only one I'm looking at, it's no. I mean, I base my decisions on, or I execute on the 20, but if we have like a captain set up short on the 30, yeah, I'll take it, I'll take a look at that and use it to enter on the 20. So that was a railroad short, and market responded, took out the stops. So the question is, whenever we have like a two-sided market like this, you could scalp. I mean, you could scalp the 20 short, since the overall pressure is short, and you're going from harmony zone number 1 to 2. Harmony zone number 2 should be support. Here you go. Look at that. That's decent. So that's a short behavior, but you're coming into support here. So let's see how well they're gonna try to defend it. Not very well. I mean, the shorts are solid. We're gonna get a counter here. All right, target is hit here. Now, harmony zone number one shifted to 65 by 75 and 90 by 100. We'll reevaluate the shorts if we break anything above the 85, 90. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. ES has a switch trade and has a target of 57.52 on the short side. Let's take a look. I mean, the market is definitely defensive, and I think the way the market is thinking about the price action is they're expecting a more missile shooting over the weekend. So probably a response by Israel that leads to a response shortly after by Iran, and they do not want to hold any positions overnight into a weekend that could be unstable. So we may get this tone, this price tone, all the way down to Globex, which is 965 and a half. Yeah, it's nasty. Yeah, it's nasty. I mean, we hit harmony zone number one. I know, bro. That's just it's something. I mean, they're running those stops. Let me see here. 54, 64. Yeah, they're running those stops. They ran the stops right above that high. We're testing harmony zone number one. We're in the middle of the range. I mean, it's just literally it's going to be that type of choppy action. I'm being patient. I know Fridays. It's Fridays are wicked like this. Yeah, no problem, G Money. We'll see you bright and early Monday morning. Have a good one. You'll get him next time. So they're responding. They're responding to harmony zone number one. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we hit 40 and lower. If we get to 36, that would be a captain setup short on the 70. Market is out of sync and is just choppy around the middle of the range. So really, I don't need to be trading anything inside the middle of that range. It needs to be either a fade in the direction of the trend, meaning that whenever the markets run these stops, just short these stops, stop runs into that fade, or if you feel brave enough, wait for the selling pressure and fade that into the middle of the range. But trying to get involved here, it's like literally what they call Swiss cheese. This back and forth action, Swiss cheese. So really not. We need that separation. Yeah, I traded a little bit toward the end of the day. I have not done any much of anything today yet. 51. Let me see here. That's a nice run. 67.77. Uh, under review for what? For payouts, I guess. I'm assuming. Okay. Good luck. I mean, did you produce a video, Sam, or no? Did they ask you for a video? I'm assuming they did. Okay. Yeah, so you should be good. Congrats, by the way. All right, so what is this telling me? It's telling me that we tested harmony zone number 2 to the tick and came back in. Not this cycle. I had a bunch of them last cycle. Um, I'm actually waiting on a pay. Sorry, uh, I'm waiting on a payout with Earn to Trade. I have one account with them, and I submitted my request yesterday for a payout. Let me see. what's his name? Sam, yeah. So here we go. I don't know if you could see this anyway, but I'll look at this for a second. So that's my earn to trade account that I have with them. And I ended up really getting a good day. And see, the thing with earn to trade, so I have to make 6 grand, but at any time, as long as I make over $100, you could request a payout. So you request it on Friday and you get it on Tuesday. So I had pretty decent days in a row, including this one on the first. And I'm gonna request 4 grand out because it's 4,400, but 400 of it is commission. So made the request and should be getting that Tuesday. And you get paid with them at least with let me see here. Here you go. Let's see if I oh yeah, here we go. So they use they use Rise to pay people. So I don't have the money in the account yet, but that's what Rise is, and that's how they're gonna actually that's Rise right there, and that's the website they use to pay people. So should be getting that soon, and I will post it once we get it. Uh, what's an account cost? Okay, so here you go. You could take a look here, and they have a couple of programs, and I think they're running a special right now, so you could take a look. But sorry, here you go. That's earn two trade. Here you go. You could take a look there, and you could also look right here. So if you want to get information on that. So I just got an email from them right here. That's who use trader support. So they're saying to me, hey, we received your request. The amount will be removed. Uh, will be removed next available Monday and sent to you next available Tuesday. So basically by Monday, that amount should be out of my account. So they're asking me not to trade till they move that money out of my account, and then make sure your profit level can cover the withdrawal amount that you requested. Okay, yeah. So don't mess around with that trade, basically. Do I like them better than Apex? They're different. They're really different. What I like about them is the fact that I don't have to wait 10 days to get paid. Like automatically. Like let's assume, okay, I'm trading today and I make 1,000. Today's Friday. And I'm above my equity, meaning I'm in the profit overall. I literally can just make a request for 1,000 right now and get paid Tuesday. And you could DCA, which is a big deal, and also you can Basically, use any kind of strategy you want to. And that's not going to be an issue for them. And the thing about it is it's not I like them more than an Apex. I like Apex. I like trade, earn to trade. I like FTT. I like them all. I'm gonna trade them all. I'm not gonna have a preference to do earn to trade versus Top Step or Apex. I'm just gonna adjust my mind to their rules, and each one has their own rules. Okay, and just manage them that way. No trailing threshold. Everything is end of day. That's another positive thing. And if you look at their program, like look at that link, and it's going to show you uh, that there's progression. So basically, my goal is to make 6 grand in that account. So I got the $300,000 account, I think. No, excuse me, the $100,000 account. So I have to make 6 grand. Once I get 6 grand, they move me automatically to the next account. So they cancel my account and give me another one that has bigger targets and bigger drawdowns. When I pass it, they cancel that account and move me to the next one. And I keep basically hitting targets and taking distribution, and the account will get canceled into the new one. Oh, it's Apex. Apex is the one that denied me, but they denied me once, and after that, and it was because of DCAs. But once I worked through that, I was fine. Do they have a evaluate? You have to pass evaluation with them. Yes, with Earn to Trade you do. No, I trade my own money, Sam. I have a couple accounts. One of them with Ninja Trader a brokerage, and the other one with Thinkorswim. I trade those accounts, and I copy those accounts into either a PA with Apex or Earn to Trade or FTT. Uh, you want to keep your skill set of knowing how to trade your own account, because you never know if these funding accounts are gone tomorrow. You don't know. So you need to, because trading your own personal account is going to be different. The mentality is different. Your risk control has to be different. So I don't want to lose the skill set that I built up over years of how to do that. I'm just gonna add to it these funded accounts. Yeah, congratulations, man. Good for you. All right, so what did the market do? It's there just slicing through people here in and around the middle of the range. Yeah, I saw that interview with Kane. Good for him, man. Making 2 million, 2 million in 54 sessions. That's not bad at all. That's my thought process exactly. Uh, a chip and a chair, my friend. That's all you need, a chip and a chair, and you're good to go. I'll send it to you, Thomas. Give me a second. I have it here for you. Yes, sir. Chip and a chair, baby. Let's go. So that's the interview. Take a look at that earn to trade, man. It may be something that could work for you too. I mean, like I said, I don't have preferences. The only preference I have is, do they pay? Do they pay? Do they actually pay you? So as long as they're legit in that way, then I'm gonna give them a shot. And like for example, you could have 20 accounts on Apex. Imagine this idea: you have 20 accounts on Apex. With FTT, you can have 20 accounts personal, and in addition to that, another 20 accounts um, with your LLC. So now you have 40, you have 60 accounts. So 60 accounts, and then add to it a Top Step Trader. You could have, I don't know, like five at a time. Five. Then from there, you have Earn to Trade. Then you have others. So you could literally be close to 100 accounts trading, and you make $100 in one. And you copy. Ethan, yeah. FTT has been having some technical issues big time too. And that's why I'm kind of like waiting on them to kind of figure that one out before I jump in and trade with them heavy. Yeah, man. I like him. I mean, I have an account with them. Um, I'm taking that first distribution. Probably within a week or so, I'll get the second distribution, which is really making another 2 grand. Then they're gonna move me to the bigger account after that. So I like that progression ladder that they have. So the only thing that kind of I wish they do is I wish they give us more accounts, not just one. Like give me 20. Like people have to look at other competition and say, okay, well, if I can get 20 in FTT and 20 in Apex, why am I just stuck with one account at Earn to Trade? But they have a different model, and I get it. So yeah, and it's exactly. I mean, Apex is the leader in the industry. Top Step Trader has started this industry. Then Apex basically dominated it. Now you're getting all this competition from FTT and others trying to eat up at the Apex advantage. And it's a fight, and the fight that I think is going to be good for the consumer, which is me and you and all the traders. I think this funded account experience is really opening up the room for a lot of traders that would not have that opportunity if they were trading their own personal account. Well, welcome to the casino, Sam. Check or bet. Check or bet. Yeah, that's true. Hey, Kevin. Good morning. So what is the market doing here? Okay, we broke, hit that target. The next target is 2165 half. Pullbacks are buyable on a swing trade basis. Harmony zone number one is 115 by 105 and 90 by 80. My alarm is going off. I don't hear no alarm. Yeah. I wouldn't admit that in front of people, Bill. That's funny. All right. So let's see what the market is doing right here. Okay. They're pushing. That's this block. Maybe an old man, but young at heart. Here we go. Okay, this market is out of sync. I mean, that's just like pretty rough. I mean, you're expecting. We got very close to that target of 165, and now you're getting a market that's getting faded completely. So the market seems to be satisfied just spending time here. I mean, and that's the middle of the range at 82. So you're getting that 82 to 41. Hidden harmony zone number 2. Hmm. Damn, that's ruthless right here. Okay, we're about to hit that. Okay, now the market is back in sync on the short side on a swing trade basis with a target of 40 and a half. Harmony zone number 1 is 90 by 100. Harmony zone number 2 is 115 by 125. And $40. ES is really actually struggling here. Middle of the range, and you need to get to 57.52. Right here, the market sold off into this range, and we are testing harmony zone number 2. So ES is a little bit stronger than NQ. All right, so market is in sync. So you're getting a lot of harmony waves short. I mean, look at this one here. That's another one. That's a railroad short. There was another railroad short right here. There's another one right here, but that one was in the middle of at the beginning of the new harmony wave. So that kind of worked out real nice. Target is 20,040 and a half. Excellent, Adam. That's a big deal, man. That's good. Block to the second block to the third block. So the market is in sync again. Now we have a target of 115. I mean, excuse me, 20,015. Rallies are shortable on a swing trade basis. We have a harmony zone number 1, 65 by 75 and 90 by 100. Rallies are shortable. No, it's not. It's not. ES is, let's see here. No, it would not go to that 57.52. So that really kind of tells you that ES and NQ are just simply not in sync today, which lends itself to a consolidated market in NQ. So here we go again, running up into resistance, and let's see how well the market handles that. $77.87. Yeah, some crazy stuff going on here. I mean, that is just wicked right there. Wow. And the kind of structure, how to analyze it. I mean, candle structure of ES. Okay. I mean, okay, so the trend is we broke the prior trend. Let's see here. All right, so we broke it right here. So the minute we did that, market went on a wave long, came back into the middle of the range to retest. So you really had to break Globex, which is 57.45.75, for the structure to really shift back into negative. And the fact that we came in here, NQ was selling off and ES was still holding up, came in to reverse this candle. I mean, we came in within one tick, literally, like 1 point of reversing this candle, and the market rallied back up. So that tells me there's a lot of strength and accumulation in this area between 58 to 51. The market came into harmony zone number 2 multiple times and kept holding on to the price. Now we have a target of 57.77, and from there we can have targets that could get all the way up to 58.02. That doesn't mean all of that is going to happen today, but the fact that structurally the market kept buying that bottom zone is giving strength to NQ, is giving a lot of strength to ES to hold these prices. The minute we break that level, which is 57.52, then you're going to see glowbacks, and then you're going to see the price break into the structure right here. So with this, I would look for pullbacks as a buying opportunity with a target of 57.77. We'll reevaluate the longs if we break anything under 57.58.75. And a break under 51 will make the market short on rallies into glowbacks and into a run toward the lows of yesterday. So that's kind of... Hey Joseph, how are you, buddy? Yeah, me too. I don't have any trades done so far, which is fine. I kind of need the mental break, to be honest with you. Yeah, I mean, that's... yeah. That's crazy right here. I mean, that's just like a one short covering jam into the target of 140 half. I mean, we have 1 minute. 1 minute. Target is hit. Next target is 2165 and a half. Ooh. All right, guys. No trades for me for today. And we will see you bright and early Monday morning. You guys have a good one. How did everybody do, by the way? I know what Adam did. Brad did good. Sheila, Marty. How is Marty doing? Ethan, how did we end up doing, Ethan? That's a rough day, Marty. It's okay, man. Let's keep going. That's awesome, Ethan. Good job. Thomas, what did you say? I have 9 more days. 150? No, 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 no. No, Thomas. You have $150,000 evaluation. Oh, okay. And you got 3 grand. That's an evaluation. So that's you don't have to wait for 9 days, because on evaluations it's a 1 day pass, meaning you can make 3 grand today, and tomorrow, which is over the weekend, they'll send you the email to get funded to pay the fee. So you're good on that one. So you should be getting a funded account over the weekend. Congrats, by the way. That's good. Hey, we all start somewhere, right? That's good, man. So your first evaluation passed into the first funded account. Congratulations, Thomas. Join the party of the bruised. Every single one of them got punched in the face multiple times trying to get to that funded account. All right, guys. That's it for me. We'll see you Monday.